Oh, aren't they just darling?
They are perfect. Oh, this one looks just like her mama.
And that one looks just like his big, strong papa.
Well, guess I better get us some food. I'll be back soon, my little suet cake. Mwah.
Oh, darn it. Darn.
Oh, hey Marvin, how's it going?
Not so good. Birds keep flying away when I'm taking their photos. I can't get a good shot.
Let's see what you got.
This, and this, and this.
Oh. Wow, look at what these photos show.
Huh?
See, here's one of the bird behaving naturally. And in this one, it notices you. And in this, it's trying to get more info about whether you're a threat. And here, it's getting ready to depart. Yep, no surprise. Here it has flown away. Birds give us signals when we're too close. Oh, here's a bird now.
Oh.
Let's see what this one tells us.
Okay, now he sees us. Okay, now he's bobbing his head to get more info about us. Now, oh, he's got a slingshot. Back up! Back up! Wow, they do give us signals.
Oh.